Ever wonder what keeps your body going, especially during those intense workout sessions? Well, it all comes down to a tiny powerhouse called ATP, Adenosine Triphosphate. ATP is like the currency of energy in our bodies. It's a molecule that stores and transfers energy within cells, acting as the fuel that powers various cellular activities. From the beating of your heart to the firing of neurons in your brain, ATP is there, providing the energy needed for these processes. And when you're exercising, it's ATP that's supplying the power for those muscle contractions, allowing you to lift weights, run, or even just walk. So, while you may not see or feel it, ATP is working behind the scenes, helping your body function efficiently and effectively. Whether you're lifting weights, going for a run, or even just walking, your body is constantly using ATP to provide the energy needed for muscle contractions and other essential functions. So how does ATP actually work? Well, it undergoes a process called hydrolysis, where it breaks down into ADP, that's adenosine diphosphate, and in the process it releases energy that can be used by the body. Now this might sound complicated, but let's break it down into simpler terms. Imagine ATP as a loaded spring, tightly coiled and ready to unleash its energy. This spring is actually a bond holding together three phosphate groups. When your body needs energy, it breaks off one of these phosphate groups, causing the spring to snap and release a burst of energy. This energy is then harnessed to power various cellular functions. So, every time you move, breathe, or even blink, you're triggering this reaction. It's like a microscopic power plant tirelessly working to keep you going. Think of it like breaking off one of ATP's three phosphate groups, unleashing a burst of energy that powers your cells. But here's the cool part, our bodies are excellent recyclers. Through processes like cellular respiration, we regenerate ATP, turning ADP back into ATP and ensuring a constant supply of energy. This is the magic of ATP regeneration. It's like a never-ending cycle, a tireless energy production line that keeps you going day in, day out. Imagine this, every time you flex a muscle, ATP breaks down, releasing energy and becoming ADP, but your body doesn't just toss the ADP aside, no, it recycles it. Through cellular respiration, your body takes that ADP, adds a phosphate group, and voila, it's ATP again, ready to fuel your next move. This amazing process is happening right now, inside you, powering everything you do. Every step you take, every breath you draw, every heartbeat, it all comes down to ATP. So keep moving, keep sweating, and let ATP be your body's ultimate fuel. Thanks for watching, and stay energized.